Good morning, everybody. You're with Alex, Senior Account Executive at GDMFX. This is today's European Session Outlook. We will start, of course, with the North American markets. The dollar finished Tuesday's North American session at its highest level against the yen since July 2007. The US currency also recorded strong gains against the euro. Orders for durable US goods declined by a seasonally adjusted 0.5% in April. Investors focused on the core capital goods number, which is typically interpreted as a proxy for business investment. It climbed 1% in April, marking a second straight monthly gain. The new home sales change month on month came out 16.8% higher than previous, and consumer confidence was 0.4 points better than expected. The S&P 500 index had a range of 28 points at 2102 now. The biggest mover yesterday was the USD JPY, 14 points up. Today we'll be expecting Bank of Canada interest rate decision and the rate statement. On to the EU markets. The DAX moved with 180 points down. The CAC 40 moved with 20 points down. Yesterday we had the Swiss employment level come out at 4.225 million, which beat the estimates of 4.210 million. Today, early in the morning, we had the Swiss UBS Consumption Indicator and the German Consumer Confidence Survey, which both came out slightly better. We have no major events for today. So on to the UK markets. The pound is approaching a 7-year high against the euro as concerns over Greece's latest IMF payment rise. Overall, the sterling gained ground against all of its 16 major pairs except the dollar. The pound fell 0.5% against the dollar yesterday. Consumer confidence has risen to pre-crisis levels with low inflation, low unemployment, and a pickup in wages. The UK consumers are purchasing more than even before the crisis. The FTSE 100 was opened with a 50-point gap and lost 24 points yesterday and closed at 69.48. Today we will be expecting the gross domestic product quarter on quarter and year on year, and total business investment quarter on quarter. The biggest mover was the GBP JPY, 12 points up. On to the Asian markets. Early this morning, we had the Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting minutes. The Nikkei 225 stock average had been on an increasing trend, mainly due to selective buying of Lagarde stocks by foreign investors, and had temporarily been above 20,000 yen for the first time since April 2000. In the foreign exchange market, the yen had appreciated somewhat against the US dollar, mainly in response to some weaker than expected US economic indicators. Tomorrow, we'll be anticipating the Japanese foreign bond investment for May 22nd, the foreign bond investment in Japanese stocks. We'll be expecting retail trade month on month, year on year, large retailer sales for April, and that's all. So moving on to commodities. Overnight, gold futures fell sharply on Tuesday following the Memorial Day holiday weekend, as a wave of optimistic US economic data pushed the dollar to its highest level in 4 weeks. The crude futures plummeted sharply on Tuesday, reaching its lowest level in the month of May amid a stronger dollar and geopolitical concerns in the Middle East. Gold had a range of $21, trading at $1,189 now. Silver had a range of 46 cents at $16.78 now. Crude oil had a $2 range at $58.57 now. Natural gas is trading at $2.83 at the moment with a range of 10 cents. Tomorrow we'll be waiting both the EIA crude oil stocks change and natural gas storage change. All right, thank you everybody for the attention. Again, my name is Alex, Senior Account Executive at GDMFX. This was today's European Session Outlook. Goodbye.